This is ICU cot supplied by SGM Enterprises, manufacturers of all sort of furniture including hospital furniture, general office furniture, educational furniture, food and beverages and laboratory furniture. With regard to hospital furniture, now I am going to make a small presentation on ICU cot. This is again facilitated by X-ray translucency at the chest part. Now what this portion is seeing, this is made out of Hylam sheet. This will help for the clear image of X-ray. With the help of mobile X-ray machine, you can take the X-ray image. Now we are just going to see the functions of this cot. This is at the base level. Now you can see headrest is getting up with the help of screw. See, at the bottom of the headrest, this tray is given. Now just I am going to remove this tray. I will show you how this extra cassette is being fitted. This is totally made out of SS304. Tray is being given here. Here you are going to place the X-ray cassette. Once again, after finishing that, you can just fixing down here. It will be locked. A locking system is provided so that this will avoid for the sudden fall of the cassette or abuse of cassettes. So now the knee rest is getting up. This goes up to 45 degree. With the help of manual support, this can be stopped here. So this is how the arrangement. And now coming to the base, now you can see the height of the cot. Now the entire cot itself is getting to a particular height. Maximum is 38 inches. So this is a height version of this cot, and down. Trend elbow. Now you can see the trend elbow position. This goes up to 22 degree, and now you can see the reverse trend elbow. With the same screw, there are two functions are provided. Now you can see the reverse trend elbow position. At one particular height only, this has to be done strictly. Again, this also will come to the 22 degrees. Again, we are getting back to the normal position. Now this has come to the normal position. Now we are just going to place the mattress over this. is given. This is optional, not compulsion. Will be fitted with 5-inch double bearing wheels, and the axles also are supported by the bearings. All the connective flats are with 10 mm thickness. Heavy.
I can see your tears reaching the sky, reaching the sky, reaching the sky.
Now it has come to the normal position.
Reaching